Today, me and my best friend's sister are gonna be trying In-N-Out and rate it 1 through 10. The nacho fries from Taco Bell. Yeah, 8 out of 10.
Fire.
8 out of 10.
I'd say a 9.
Trying Taco Bell cinnamon twists.
Hey guys, I'm here with my sister and we're gonna be trying the new Taco Bell quesarito.
It's good, I like it.
What do you rate it?
Honestly, I got 8.5.
Yeah, like a 6-7.
I'll get it again.
Trying Subway. Today we're trying Zaxby's. Let's start with a fry.
Pretty good. Rate it like a 7 out of 10.